How to know who stalks you on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to know who stalks you on TikTok. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And to tell you first, to know who stalks you on TikTok, you must enable the profile views first. So here to enable the profile views, what you can do is just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on settings or gear icon, which can be seen at the top right. And now here, once you are inside the settings and privacy section, what you can do is just scroll down and tap on privacy. And now here, once you're inside the privacy, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as viewers. So there, just tap on it and make sure you toggle on this option. And once you toggle on this option, you have enabled the viewers option. So here, once you have enabled that, you'll be able to know who stalks you on TikTok by just going back and right here on the profile section at the top right side, you'll see a footstep icon. So there you just need to tap on it. And here, if you have enabled the viewers option, then you'll see the list of all the peoples that have been stalking you on TikTok. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.